For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Austrian oak Arnold Schwarzenegger is celebrating his 73rd birthday today. Arnold is one of the most popular Hollywood actors and best known for his action dramas. The Austrian-American actor has also dabbled in other fields and has been a popular businessman and former politician and professional bodybuilder. Arnold is also known as Terminator among fans across the world for his role in the movie of the same name. On the occasion of his birthday, many fans poured in love and wishes for him across social media platforms.
Every day when I am watching you, I feel that I challenge myself to improve myself. Your heart is as big and special as your talent, as you are a kind, humble and generous person. Happy birthday to a true role model. Happy 73rd birthday to the man who chased the American dream and literally terminated all doubts about achieving it. The one and only actor, producer, author, bodybuilder, governor and ultimate action hero.
Arnold is best known for starring in films such as the Terminator series, Commando, Total Recall, among others. Arnold, who became a champion bodybuilder after coming to America in the 1960s, is an inspiration to bodybuilders across the world. Disproving the advice that his accent was too thick, his body too developed, and his name too confusing, he became the biggest box office attraction in the world thanks to films like 1982's Conan the Barbarian and 1984's The Terminator. Arnold then got into politics and became the governor of California in 2003. On this occasion, we bring you few interesting facts of his life and career. Arnold was born July 30th, 1947, near Graz, Austria, and his family did not lead a comfortable life. Arnold made his own weights at a local metalworking shop, trained while performing a compulsory one-year tour of duty in the Austrian army beginning in 1965. During his time there, Schwarzenegger fled the base without permission so that he could enter a bodybuilding competition in Germany, which he won. He then spent 7 days in military prison for the offense. Arnold, after going to the USA in 1968, eventually won 7 Mr. Olympia titles and was successful in his bodybuilding career. From the money he earned from competitions, he invested in real estate business in California, which gave him a good profit. That's how Arnold became a millionaire even before he got into acting. When his bodybuilding career began winding down, Schwarzenegger started looking to acting as his next challenge. Soon enough, he got the title role in 1970's Hercules in New York and later in 1977's Star Wars, which became a super hit. Even after many criticized him for his accent and appearance, he never took it seriously, and in fact, it was the accent that made him a more distinctive commodity in Hollywood. Arnold's childhood residence is now a museum, which was announced in 2011, which includes his motorcycle from Terminator, his old bed, weightlifting equipment, and a copy of the desk he used while he was governor of California. However, Arnold is going to be seen as the US president in Kung Fury 2, a sequel to the 2014 short film parody of 1980s action movies. The film is directed by and starring David Sandberg, and the makers of the film are yet to confirm the release date.